Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, my name is Maaz and you are watching Mother Fashion YouTube channel. So join me on Mother Fashion as we explore the iconic style of Kate Middleton. From her stunning wedding dresses to her chic everyday outfits, Kate's fashion sense is always on point. In this video, we will dive into some of her most memorable looks and show you where to find similar dresses and outfits. Whether you are a royal fan or just a fashion lover, you won't want to miss this video. Subscribe to Mother Fashion for more fashion and beauty content and hit that notification bell to stay up to date on our all latest videos. Let us know in the comment below what would you like to see next. I wanted to take a moment to share with you my exciting news. I have recently launched a new YouTube channel called Mother Fashion, where I will be sharing fashion content from around the world. On my channel, you will get to see the latest fashion trend and style from American women, French women, English women, worldwide women. The best fashion I will show you in my videos. From street style to hot counter, I will be covering it all. So I would love for you to join me on this fashion journey and subscribe to my channel. By subscribing, you will get to see new content every day, including fashion tips, trends, reports, and style inspiration from women of all ages and backgrounds. So if you are passionate about fashion as I am, be sure to subscribe to Mother Fashion today. Let's explore the world of fashion together. So we are talking about one of the most fashion discussion you will make your big day, your wedding dresses. Especially we are observing our bridal maxi dresses. From elegant to bohemian, maxi dresses are a stunning choice for any bride. So my beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, please watch this video till the end. My dear subscribers and all my viewers on my channel, I share my passion for fashion and beauty, from stylish outfit ideas to makeup tutorial and product reviews. I also love sharing my favorite lifestyle tips and tricks, from home decor to pretending advice to help you live your best. My goal is to create a community where we can all share our love of fashion and beauty and support and inspire each other. My beautiful subscribers and all my viewers, if you want to buy these dresses, you can visit any online store. So my beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, I want to take a moment to tell you about my amazing YouTube channel. If you are a fan of fashion, beauty and lifestyle content, then you are in the right place. On Mother Fashion, my channel, I share my passion for fashion and beauty with you. From stylish outfit ideas to makeup tutorial and product reviews. I also love sharing my favorite lifestyle tips and tricks, from home decor to pretending advice. My goal with Mother Fashion is to create a community where we can all share our love of fashion and beauty and support and inspire each other. I believe that fashion is for everyone regardless of age, size, of style, and I strive to make my content exclusive and relatable. So if you are looking for a daily dose of fashion inspiration, be sure to subscribe to Mother Fashion and hit that notification bell. I uploaded new content every day, so you will never miss a thing. So my beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, please I request all of you, please watch this video till the end and share this video with your family and friends. So my beautiful viewers, Kate Middleton's fashion sense is a perfect blend of classic and modern style. She is a true fashion icon and role model for women of all ages. Her fashion journey is a statement to her confidence and personal style. From her stunning gowns to her chic street style, Kat's fashion moments are always highly anticipated. She is a true fashion inspiration and a must follow of any fashion enthusiast. Don't forget to hit that notification bell to stay up to date on all our latest content. We uploaded daily videos, so be sure to check back soon for more fashion, beauty and lifestyle inspiration. Thanks for being part of Mother Fashion community. We love having you here. Stay tuned for more royal fashion content including Kate Middleton, Ivanka Trump, Melania Trump, and don't forget to check out our social media channel for more fashion inspiration and behind the scene content. We are so glad you are here and cannot wait to share more content with you. So Mother Fashion is your daily dose of fashion, beauty and lifestyle inspiration. Don't forget to subscribe. We love fashion and we know how to do, so let's stay stylish together. Thanks again for watching and don't forget to hit that notification bell. If you are new here, consider subscribing to Mother Fashion for daily dose of fashion, beauty and lifestyle inspiration. We have a new video uploading every day, so be sure to check back soon for more content. And don't forget to hit that notification bell to stay up to date on all our latest videos. We love having you as a part of our community and cannot wait to share more fashion inspiration with you. Stay stylish, stay fabulous, and we will be see you in the next videos. Mother Fashion is your go-to destination of all your things fashion, beauty and lifestyle. Don't forget to subscribe. We are also glad you are here and cannot wait to share more content with you. From royal fashion to celebrity style, we have got you covered. Thank you again for watching and don't forget to hit that notification bell. So my beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, please watch this video till the end. Today we are talking about one of the most stylish women in the world, Kate Middleton. Kate Middleton was born on January 9, 1982 in Reading, Berkshire. She grew up in a loving family and developed a passion of art and design. She worked in the retail and marketing industry before becoming a full-time royal. Kate's fashion sense is classic, elegant and sophisticated. She is a fan of British designers like Alexander, MC Queen and Elegent and has worn some stunning outfits over the years. From her iconic wedding dresses to her chic maternity style, Kate's fashion journey is a must-see for any fashion enthusiast. Over the years, Kate's style has evolved from a more bohemian look to a more polished, regal aesthetic. She is not afraid to take risks and try new trends but always stay true to her classic style. Kate's fashion influence ranged from her mother, Crowley Middleton, to a fashion icon like Audrey Hepburn and Jacqueline Kennedy Onassis. She's also been inspired by her husband, Prince William, and his sense of style. Thanks for watching everyone. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Mother Fashion YouTube channel. Take care.